Hello and welcome to the first video. This is the first design I had for a quarry. Specifically, I wanted to mine out an ocean temple with it and make a prismarine farm, but the few errors of having to deal with water is a change of plans, and I decided I would just release this as is and make a new one that would get rid of the water. But basically this mines a 8x8 chunk area down to bedrock and leaves behind water and lava, which was an issue when trying to deal with in the ocean. But basically it drops down a contraption that mines out an entire chunk. Just finished mining this chunk. And it goes all the way back up to the top, and it unloads all of its stuff onto the conveyor belt, and it brings it back to here. I just have it entering a creative crate to delete it, but if this was in survival, you would just take it to a storage area. And once this gets done unloading, it'll go over to the next chunk and mine that. And once it gets all the way to the end, it'll touch that redstone block way down there, and it'll send a signal to this redstone link, and send it to there, and send it back all the way over to this redstone contraption, and it'll tell it to come back to the first row and start into the next row, and it'll continue until it gets to the very last one where it will stop. I added 2 levers to it, on and off, so it would, when you flick this lever, it will keep the item in here and not start the next cycle. It does take a minute because it will finish the cycles it is in the middle of, and then there's a button over here to reset it back to this specific corner. So if I flick this and we wait till it's finished unloading, it should be finished unloading pretty soon because it's at the deep slate. It takes roughly 2 minutes to unload, and I think 3 minutes to dig out a chunk that has 0 obsidian. Takes a lot more if it has obsidian in that chunk that's created by this water. Like, for example, if this cave were to mine the chunks with these caves with a lot of lava in it, it would take way longer, because if there's water above it, it would turn into obsidian. And the reason why it has drills on top is because of that reason, because I made it go at the fastest speed, so it would prioritize speed over getting every block. So it would pass through the lava, and then it would create cobblestone and obsidian above it, so that's why it needs drills at the top of it. And since it is off now, I'll show you what this button does. It just sets it back to 0, 0, but usually this head would be way out there and it would take longer for it to go over here. That's why it's taking so long to change directions to this way. So yeah, that's all I wanted to share. Have fun with this. Join the Discord, and this will be in that Discord for download. That's it.